Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying connectivity and power so uploads won't stall. Check that you have a stable Wi-Fi or strong cellular link and that your device is charged or plugged in. Low power mode can pause transfers. Next, open settings on iPhone or system preferences on Mac, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud to see what's paused. Once done, note which app or file shows paused so you know the target for the next step and can resume only that data. Now address storage and software, the common middle blockers. If iCloud or local storage is almost full, delete duplicates or offload large files until you free roughly 500 MB to 1 GB. Uploads need free space to process. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS, install any updates, then reboot. Once restarted, toggle the specific iCloud service, for example, iCloud Drive or Photos off and back on. This trick finish by actively resuming and, if needed, resetting the account. Go into the app or iCloud section showing paused and tap resume or use the swipe gesture to restart that specific upload. Small items often complete first and free queued uploads. If uploads stay stuck, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authentication. Make sure you know your password. If problems persist, back up locally, collect timestamps and error details, and contact Apple support as a last troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.